Hey guys, welcome to my channel Factic Mind. This video is about a topic that you might have not heard before but more interesting than you thought. This video is about grandfather paradox. So without any further delay, let's begin. The science behind time travel is iffy, but say it were a flawless operation. Say you traveled back in time and killed your grandfather before he conceived your father. Would you still be born? And if not, how then did you manage to travel back in the first place? Known as the grandfather paradox, this is one of many mind-bending scenarios that physicists have imagined as they've considered the implications of time travel. Although in reality, making a time machine by stabilizing a wormhole, for instance, or by successfully traveling faster than the speed of light, seems physically near impossible, the hypothetical issues that arise in contemplation are valuable for their insight into time and causality. Consider traveling back to yesterday. Would you be able to alter previously recorded events? Or perhaps create new events, which seemingly have no beginning? Further insight into these questions is made possible with the many worlds interpretation. A minority of physicists, the radicals, you could say, believe the universe doesn't have one world history, but an infinite number of parallel histories, stemming from quantum mechanics. The many worlds interpretation postulates that, for every observation or decision on Earth, a new world history is created. In other words, you could kill your grandfather and alter history, making it so that you were never born, but in doing so, the universe would split into separate branches. A new universe, with a different future, would branch into creation, where you've killed your grandfather, while the universe from where you traveled would exist as it did before. Traveling in time would then seem like hopping from one train track to another, with new universes generated for every action you took. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.